This is why it's important to still have OGs in the game. Because when you got OGs, they can fill you up on a lot of this info.
What's up, YouTube fans? Swaggytrice here, giving you guys another video. And for this video today, I will be breaking down what you need to know before purchasing the reverse infrared sixes. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm gonna show you guys the OG pair of the infrared sixes. And as I stated earlier, the pair that are releasing on Valentine's Day is not the true infrared six. The OG pair that we've been getting, it's a different iteration of the shoe that was supposed to drop first, but we didn't get that version, and Jordan brand said they were going to drop it but never did until now, so they're dropping it, if that makes sense. So of course, I'm gonna go ahead and put it out there, I do not have the reverse infrared sixes in hand, so I will be showcasing my OG pair and just showing you guys what's not going to be on the newer version, the reverse pair. So I will be going over the OG pair, and I will just show like clips from Unbreakable Kicks, because he broke it down fairly easy enough for you guys can understand. So I will be showing clips here and there from Unbreakable Kicks. So shout out to Unbreakable Kicks. I'm using you as a source today, so appreciate you, my guy, for breaking that down for us and everybody else that's not familiar with the sneaker game. I know y'all probably like, you taking bro's video, you using it. And I reached out to bro, he gave me his blessing, and that, you know, stuff like that just means a lot to me, because, you know, I've been doing YouTube for a while, and I watched Unbreakable Kicks, Scoop, Foamer, Bull, Tony, Seth Fowler, Nightwing, but he goes under a different name now. Wear Testers, Hesh Kicks, and many more, man. And I just appreciate that he reached out, he showed love real quick. It didn't take him no time to respond back. He just said love, bro. So I really appreciate it and stuff for, let me use you as a source to help others out, in my community, to let them know, like, hey, this is what you need to know before you buy the shoe. So appreciate you, bro. Shouts out to Unbreakable Kicks. But yeah, go ahead and roll the footage, before he can, break this down for us.
I don't want to say like sample-ish, because most of the Jordan sample boxes don't look like this, but it's a reverse of what we normally would see, I guess, with a Jordan box, or something different. The Jordan 6 retro colorway is black, light, crimson. So they don't even say infrared on these. They say black, light, crimson. Got attention. The date is October 1st, 1999. Black infrared is the color, and season 99. So again, these were supposed to come out in, well, I want to say 2000 when they were supposed to release these, y'all. And infrared, or what they say, light, crimson, whatever. I'm still gonna call them reverse infrareds. The infrared you got on the heel of these, it just makes these pop out so much more. One gripe that I've seen a lot of people complain about was the fact that these did not have 3M on. Dare I say, the nubuck on these, it's a different nubuck. I will say that. People say it's just too much red down there on the midsole, and I probably would agree. We do got the sample tag right here. Man, these is clean, bro. Like, and this is why it's important to still have OGs in the game, because when you got OGs, they can fill you up on a lot of this info.
The main takeaway is no 3M on the shoe, which that's not a biggie. Not a biggie at all. And second, this is not a pair that was supposed to release in the beginning. This was a 2000 sample. So don't get it confused. The OG pair has always been the OG pair, but it was a time where in 2000 where they kind of switched it up, and they had the infrared, they had more of the infrared color going on the panels of the shoe, but it never released. So now I guess Jordan brand wanted to release it, and call it the reverse infrared sixes. So let me go ahead and pull out the OG pair real quick, and we'll just, kind of break this down, piece by piece for you guys. Brick by brick. Hopefully y'all doing good today. I always got to ask, And always make sure you wear your shoes, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you wear them, bro. I haven't pulled these out in a minute, but these are the OG pair. If I'm not mistaken, these came out. When did these come out? 2019. Normally they have a date or something. Hold on, let me check the shoe. Which one shoe? 2018. 2018? I don't know. That's what it's saying inside of the shoe. Here's the OG pair right here. Clean. Ooh, I might have to wear these today. Oh my goodness. I have to wear these today. Now, as you can tell, let me get the mic. Now, as you can tell, on the back right here, it's just that black Nike stitched in. It's not the infrared. Not the infrared or he said the light crimson. Unbreakable said the light crimson that they're calling that colorway.
Light crimson.
That infrared or that light crimson, I'm gonna still call it infrared, is coming all the way around, like all the way through. We don't have that black separating that infrared. It's coming all the way through. And I believe it is some infrared in the bubble as well, in that bubble. So other than that, in 3M, let me show you guys the 3M. 3M. If you guys are deciding to cop, me personally, I'm gonna still rock with the OGs because I don't really see a difference besides, that and no 3M. Excuse me. So I don't really see it being a big reason for me to cop. But if you guys just, want to say you have that 2000 sample pair kinda, then I would say cop. So, and Jordan Brand, they normally drop something really big around All-Star weekend. So that's the All-Star shoe for this year. So if you want to cop. I don't know the price of them, so I'll put the price up real quick for you guys on the screen. But yeah, that's it. It's nothing, that's crazy. And I know he said the new book is I don't know if it's better or not. I can't really say. He said it looks about the same from when I watched the video. It looks almost the same. Yeah. But let me know down below in the comment section if you guys are planning on copying. If you plan on skipping, let me know as well. Or, just let me know what you think in general of the shoe that they're releasing for this All-Star weekend. But in Valentine's Day. And they normally do this. Jordan Brand always knows what they're doing. They drop the big release in February due to, people getting their taxes, stuff like that. So it's always been that tactic, man. But appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. Leave a comment down below and leave a like. And shout out to Unbreakable Kits again for allowing me to use some of the footage from his video to help, explain it more and showcase the shoe more because I don't have it in hand. But appreciate you guys for watching this video, and hopefully these facts helped you before you buy the Air Jordan reverse infrared. So appreciate you guys. Until next time, swaggytrice, I'm out. Peace.